What's up, YouTube? Welcome back into another video. Well, I'm gonna show you guys how I start my day on a weekly basis. Every morning, take my girls to school. Then after that, if I running low on my snacks, I go ahead to the store and grab a few snacks, healthy snacks. Then I come back home and start my YouTube video. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you some snack that I just got because uh, I'm running low on snacks. So I'm gonna show you what I got today, and I'll just go ahead and make some tea to drink. Then I can get started on my YouTube video. So stay tuned, y'all. So I just got back from dropping the girls off from school, and I stopped on my way to the store and I got me some snacks. I got this mango. I love this, y'all. And I got more of this right here. More mango. I got me some salad. That's what I want to eat for lunch today. And I got me some lemon to pour in my hot water. So yeah, so I'm just go here, make me some tea, then I can get started on my YouTube videos. So stay. So I don't know if these are healthy, but it's good though. So this is my little favorite drink idea for the morning. So I'm going to add a little bit of almond milk. So I will go here. It's ready now. So this is more like a fruit bowl. See? I'm gonna show you how it looks. So this is the fruit bowl. It's so good, y'all. So all this, they have all this in here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put that up. I might turn this one to a smoothie later that I can have instead of the fruit bowl. But yeah, it looked awesome. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. Oh, it's so good. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And also, if you try this smoothie bowl, let me know. Or if you want to turn it to a milkshake, you can add a little bit more milk. Or if you want to add it to a smoothie, you just have to pour a little bit less than making a shake. So yeah. So that's it for today's video. Until then, I will see you next time. Bye.